This is the new microphone that I've ordered. This is the BM800 microphone with the V8 sound card included with it. So here we can see the box of the microphone. It says condenser microphone, which is the box is pretty generic, of course, and for day-to-day use, just like YouTube, for online class, for streaming. This is more than enough, I guess, for someone that who is starting out. And now for the price. Here's the price right here. So that for that price point, 1,200 pesos to 1,500 pesos, depending on which store you get it. I mean, it is pretty worth it for your money, I'm telling you. But our friends, or maybe someone is watching that is not here in the Philippines, I saw something with same microphone on Amazon for 32 or $30 to 40, which for me still good, but I don't see any sound card included on those prices, so I'm not sure. I don't know. But for here in the Philippines, for those who wanted a budget-oriented microphone, good for streaming, good for online class, this is a no-brainer buy for all of you. So here we can see the pop filter. It's a good quality pop filter, nothing too extraordinary about it. And here is the microphone holder, and let's open it up. Oh yes. Oh, this holder is all plastic, no metal at all. Maybe the knobs, but I'm not sure. This is also, you can adjust it, you can tighten, loosen it up, and place it on what you like. Next is the clamp. The clamp is really good. It is an all metal build. There's no plastic in this clamp except maybe a little part on the back where you tighten it up, but it's all metal, so you will not worry about your microphone falling off your mounting point. Next up is this, another microphone holder for your dynamic microphones. I'm not sure. I'm gonna show a photo up here on what microphones you can place in here. And next up we have this really heavy arm, which can be folded into half. It's a really long arm, but not very long. It is really for close ranges, but it's a very good arm, all metal build. And now let's jump into the mic. The mic is very light. I mean, I'm not surprised. The paint here, it says BM800, which is the model of this microphone. It is very light. The finish is matte black and this shiny, shimmering, flipping gold, boy. And here's the pop filter. I mean filter for the microphone. It covers up the gold. So now let's jump into the sound card, the V8 sound card, which is part of this bundle. So as you open it up, we see here, this is a micro USB to 3.5mm jack, and this one is the same thing. This micro USB to 3.5mm, and this one is for charging. Please note that this cable is not a data cable and you can't use it to connect to your computer. You need a separate cable for that. So now we have here the sound card. It's all metal, no plastic in the chassis, and we have here all the ports, live, all the ports. And we have here all the knobs that you can adjust to your liking, and all the sound effects, the echo that you can change on the fly. And here we got this manual on some cases, some instances on how you want to use it. You can use it with your two phones, you can use it with an instrument, you can use it with your laptop, with your computer, with your cell phone. You can use it with anything. So now this is how I set it up. So I have the pop filter clamp into the arm, and with the microphone attached to the, of course, the arm, and I clamp it on my desk. And here is my sound card inside of my laptop. So it is the sound card. So I plug it in with the microphone to the laptop and a live accompaniment, so I can use some background music when I play a song on my laptop. It will be recorded, no problem at all. So this is very good. So we have here all the electro, pitch bend, elimination, shockwave, MC, dodge, cheer, embrace, embarrass, gun, despise, debut, kiss, laugh, clap, pay attention, another kiss, song 1 is song 2. And I think the song 1 and song 2 is programmable to your liking. I don't know. I don't know how to. And these are the knobs that you can change on the fly if you want to, or you can just leave it there. It depends to you. But for me, I'll leave it right there. I haven't touched it. I haven't changed it yet in this particular scene right here. And here is the microphone knob where you can adjust the sound of your microphone, and this is for the music. And here is the echo. So you can change your echo on the fly anytime you want. And this is very good. And you can use a monitor headphone, so you like to monitor what you're saying. You can hear what you're saying, and you can hear the songs that you are playing passing through the V card. I mean the sound card V8. So now, how does it sound like? I've been using it since the start. The microphone I've been using was the BM800 from the start of this video up to this point. So now you have the basis of how it sounds like. So I have put the echo to the lowest possible because I don't want any echo on my voice. But if you wanted to hear the echo, I'm gonna put it gradually putting it up, and I know you can see now the echo. So now you can see it's in the max echo. I'm gonna turn that down, and that sound really bad, I know. So now we're gonna try the different voice changing modes. We're just gonna go starting with the pitch bend. Here's the pitch bend.
So now I sound like a baby, and I know it sounds bad. I'm gonna change it. If I press it again, my voice will change.
To this creepy old man that is like from the movies. And now I'm gonna change it again.
This is a very, it's, I think it's unusable.
And this is a very deep.
So those are the 4 modes. And here is the electro. And the electro, it has a lot of voice changes. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. The sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth one. Ninth one. 10th one. I mean, it goes on. So now I'm back with my normal voice. So we're gonna try here some different sounds that you can press on the fly. First up is the cheer. Yeah, cheer for me. Yeah, I like that. This is the embarrass one. This is the gun.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Thanks everyone for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.